Good afternoon to all my dear students. As usual, hope you find and safe at your home. Now we can go through our textbook. So last class we talked about the different types of mass medias. So I hope you understand very well in our last class. So what about the mass medias? Do you get the idea? Yes, last class we talked about radio, telegraph, telephone, story of messages, etc. And once more, what's that? Television. Yes. So last class we complete the chapter television. Now we can move to the activities of this chapter. So the name of the chapter is the television. Yes. So do you remember who invented television? Do you remember that? Who invented television? Yes, J.L. Bayard. J.L. Bayard invented television. And he is a Scotsman, and we already learned what are the importance of television and what's the color, anything we just learned. So in last class just we learned about what is television and what are the important programs of television. Yes, here paragraph page number 83, paragraph number 2, we discuss about the important programs. That is, television is a most best source of entertainment and enlightenment for all. And next third paragraph, the television plays a significant role in educating the farmers on the use of different kinds of fertilizers and pesticides and new methods of cultivation, because the television is very useful to the rural peoples and farmers also. So then they know about the different types of cultivation, pesticides and fertilizers too. Then last paragraph, paragraph number 84. That is the medium of audio-visual communication. Television is an audio-visual communication, and it's a powerful appeal also, and the students also learned a lot of things. That is, educational purpose also, it's very useful for students. So lessons on science, mathematics, geography, it's very important and telecast this type of lessons. And in order to educate the public, more programs on traffic rules, health and hygiene, law and order problems, such like that are telecast in television. And last, a man after a day's hard work may switch on his television set and derive immense pleasure. He feels greatly relieved after the day's fatigue. So when a person is coming after his work, he gets relaxed while so the television programs, it's very entertaining program, so it's very useful for persons. So television is very entertaining program and enlightenment for all. So now we can move. We completed the chapter and now we can go through the question answers of television. After that we can move to the activities. So all of you please take page number 83. So I hope you up to this, you know very well, and if there is any doubt you can ask me. Okay. So now we can move to the question answers. Page number 83. Here are some questions. Let's move. Why do we say that the TV or television is a magic carpet? Why do we say that television is a magic carpet? Because we got different types of programs in television, different colors. We got anything in our television while we can move, a moving programs. So the persons are moving, we can see many pictures, the world is through in front of us through this television. So why do we say that the television is a magic carpet? That's the first question. Now second, how is the television helpful to the people in rural areas? How is the television helpful to the people in rural areas? Paragraph number 2 is in the answer. That is, Programs on subjects like health and hygiene, nutrition, family planning and agriculture are immense help to men and women, especially in rural areas. They got idea of what's the health and hygiene programs, nutrition programs, family planning and agriculture. So they got a new idea from this program. Now we can move to the next question. How is the television helpful to the farmers? How is the television helpful to the farmers? Coming to the next paragraph, there is the answer. That is, the television plays a significant role in educating the farmers on the use of different kinds of fertilizers and pesticides and new methods of cultivation also. So it's very useful to the farmers. Now fourth one, in what way is the TV or television helpful to propagate culture? How it's helpful for propagate culture? That is, man is born in the stream of culture. The invention of television has enabled him to enjoy and see with his own eyes the cultures of different people living in different communities. So while saw the television, we saw the programs, we got idea of different communities, different cultures, etc. So it's very helpful for propagate culture. Now next page 84, fifth question. In the field of education, the TV plays a dominant role. How? Yes, they are the immense help to students for special subjects like science, mathematics, geography and other disciplines are often telecast. It's very helpful for students. And last question, how does the television entertain people? How does the television entertain people? Because people derive great pleasure from television. People derive a great pleasure from television while they are working hard. While so the television, they feel very much, they feel great while seeing, they relaxed while saw the television. So up to 6 question answers, all of you please write in your notebook. Okay, so I hope you understand up to this. Now we can move to the next activity. Are you ready? Okay. So page number 84, below the paragraphs, the television mainly does 4 things. The television mainly does 4 things. What are they? That is, entertain, educate, influence and inform. So the television mainly does 4 things. First one is entertain, and next second one, influence, and third one, educate, and last one, fourth one, that is inform. That means we got different types of information while saw the television. So here below that there is a column, you can see a column, activity 1. Before that you must understand what is this: entertainment, influence, educate, inform. While saw the television, we got this type of information from television. Now we can move to the activity first. Now list a few television programs and write them in appropriate columns. Types of television programs. Here you can see 2 columns. The first column is types of television programs and the second one is purpose of the program. So these four are the purpose of programs, that is entertain, influence, educate and inform. These are the purpose of the programs. So here first one is gender, films. The category is entertainment. That means while saw the film, we got an entertainment to see the film. So what are the other entertainment programs? So you should collect the programs. Now next one, education. So education, National Geographic. So in National Geographic program, there are some education, we got some educating things in that programs. So complete the other things. Then influence. what we influence for this television programs. Here one is that is advertisement. Advertisement is an influential program. And last one, information. What we got, in which type of program we got information. Here one is that is news. So these are the 4 purpose of programs and types of programs are there. So now you should find out the types of programs and which category it belongs to. So first 4 things are here, and now you want to complete the other things, that is film for entertainment, National Geographic for education, advertisement is belong to influence, and last one, news, it belongs to information. So complete the table based on this purpose of programs. Now we can move to the next thing. Activity 2. A few advantages and disadvantages of the television are given in the columns below. Analyze them and add more ideas of your own. That means a few advantages and disadvantages are here. So you should complete the table. Advantages and disadvantages. Here are some points. So the other points you should complete. Advantages. What are the advantages of television? Provide instant access to news and other information. The first point is provides instant access to news and other information. And the second one is reduce stress. Yes, while so the television, we reduce our stress. Then what are the other advantages of television? This is the second activity for you. The first one is to complete, the question answers. Complete the question answers. And second activity you should complete. You should write it in your textbook itself, that is types of programs and purpose of programs. Then the third activity, that is advantages and disadvantages. You should complete this advantage and disadvantages in your notebook. So 2 points are here. Then disadvantage. What are the disadvantages of television? First point, discourages outdoor activities among children. Discourages outdoor activities among children. Promotes violence. Promotes violence. Reduces good relationship among the members of the family. So third point, listen the third point, reduces good relationship among the members of the family. Then come to next, substandard programs. Substandard programs. So the advantages is include 2 points and disadvantages include 4 points. Now you should complete the other things, 3 more lines for disadvantages and lot of points are gap in advantages. So complete this. Okay. So I hope you understand this first activity and second activity. Now we can move to the next. Activity 3. A short description of J.L. Bayard's life. So who is J.L. Bayard? Do you remember that? Yes, the inventor of television. A short description of J.L. Bayard's life, work, career, etc. is given below. So here you can see a short description, a short profile. So your work is write a profile of J.L. Bayard, the inventor of the television, using the hints given below. So you can see this. Now, born August 13, 1888, place Helensburgh, Scotland. Education, Lamont School, University of Strathclyde. First World War interrupted his studies. Then occupation, superintendent engineer, Sad Valley Electrical Power Company. Then invention, in February 1924, first transmission of a semi-mechanical analog television system. 1927, set up the White Television Development Company Limited. From 1929 to 1935, the BBC telecast programs using the 30-line bed system, and his death 1946. So using this hints, you should complete a profile, a well profile, write it in your notebook. So first activity, done it in your textbook, that is question answers, And second activity, that is types of TV programs and purpose of programs, that you complete it in your textbook. And next one, advantages and disadvantages. Now come to the profile, third activity, a short description of J.L. Bayard. So using this hints, you should complete a profile. So write it in your notebook. Now we can move to the next activity, that is some questions based on some questions. Here only 3 activities you should complete to your textbook. Now we are going to learn a new picture, that is new chapter. You can see in your textbook page number 86, there is some hints. What's that? Can you identify what's that? In that there is a picture, you can see a picture. So what's in that picture? Can you identify what's that? Yes, different types of newspapers are there. So everybody, you know what's newspaper and how to read. We got a lot of information by this newspaper. That's a question, we can read that. You have seen that the television is one of the most popular mass media. By mass media, we mean the ways in which information can be passed on to a large number of people very quickly. Look at the newspaper collage. Here you can see a newspaper collage. What do you notice here? So what do you notice in that picture? That's collage, newspaper collage. Here are 3 questions. You should complete the 3 questions first. Do you have the habit of reading newspaper regularly? That question is to you. Do you have the habit of reading newspaper regularly? Is yes or no? What's your answer? Yes, reading ability, that is newspaper reading is very good habit. So if you had no habit, that definitely you should read the newspaper. That is a good habit and you got a lot of information while reading newspaper. You got a world information through this newspaper. Okay. Now second question, what kind of news items do you read? First you get a newspaper. Yes, that's a simple question, that while you got a newspaper, which page you prefer first? A lot of types of pages are there. There is, can you imagine that sports page, then another film page, like that. Which pages prefer you? Yes, almost the boys prefer that sports page, such like that, isn't it? Yes. So second question is, what kind of news items do you read first when you got the newspaper? Then third, do you make a collection of news items? Do you make a collection of news items? So somebody had a collection of news items, interesting news items. So if you had a collection, it's very good. Otherwise, try to collect an interesting news items. Now we are going to a new chapter, new mass media, that is newspaper. Yes. Now we are going to take a new chapter, the newspaper. The newspaper, first of all we can read, after that we can discuss it in detail. The newspaper, the world moves very fast and events happen very quickly in every sphere of life. People keep in close touch with the latest developments by reading newspapers. The newspaper is a pioneer in the fields of mass media. The first newspaper was published in Britain in 1702. It became popular only in the 1890s. Nowadays, the newspaper has become almost as necessary as food and clothing. The primary function of the newspaper is to provide news of all kinds. Millions of copies are printed, read and discussed every day in our country. The statesman is anxious to know the latest developments in the political sphere. The businessman wants correct information about market conditions. The common man has a natural curiosity to know about almost everything in general. A successful newspaper caters to the needs of all kinds of readers, scientists, sportsmen, politicians, businessmen, lawyers, and job seekers. Besides being informative, newspapers possess literary value too. They contain articles, commentaries, book reviews, stories, poems, biographies, etc. The editorials and lead articles in a newspaper exert much influence on its readers. They form and mold public opinion. Businessmen can advertise in the newspaper and thus reach their customers. The press has a sacred responsibility. Its news and views should be true and impartial. The press also serve as a platform where the reader can express his individual and independent views on any burning issue of the day. The newspaper updates our knowledge of the world around us, but we should not blindly believe everything that is printed in the newspapers. News stories may at times be exaggerated and distorted. Yet the newspaper has a very significant role in promoting national integration. So, while the first reading, what you understand from this newspaper, while reading newspaper, we got different stages, different levels of information or knowledge while reading newspaper. It's very important to reading newspapers daily. So, if you had no interested to reading, definitely now tomorrow onwards or now onwards you should read the newspapers. So, while reading newspaper, you got new knowledge, different types of knowledge to read the newspaper. Now, we can move to the paragraphs in detail. Okay, are you ready for that? Yes. The newspaper, the world moves very fast. Yes, our world moves very fastly and events happen very quickly in every sphere of life. Yes, every few minutes there is such a thing has happened. So, such like that happens or every moment something happens speciality. So, there is a news for that. So, in our life something happens in day by day or minute by minute. So, that things, it's a news, it's a scope of news. People keep in close touch with the latest developments of reading by newspapers. Yes, people keep in close touch to know what happening in our world. The latest, what are the latest developments through our world. The newspaper is a pioneer in the fields of mass media. Yes, the newspaper is the pioneer in the world of newspaper. The first newspaper was published in Britain in 1702. So, the first newspaper was published in 1702. First newspaper, that is 1702. Remember the year of newspaper published, the first newspaper published in Britain. Nowadays, the newspaper has become almost as necessary as food and clothing. So, nowadays, the newspaper has become almost as necessary as food and clothing. Yes, it's very useful. So, while we have food or clothes, it's up to that. The newspaper also very necessary for Malayalis or except any persons, because newspaper reading is one of the main habit of all peoples, and it's very good. Now, we can move to the next. The primary function of the newspaper is to provide news of all kinds. Yes, the primary function of the newspaper, that is to provide news of all kinds of news. Millions of copies are printed, read and discussed every day in our country. Yes, in every day in our country, millions of people read and discuss about the news. The statesman is anxious to know the latest developments in the political sphere. Yes, in political field, the persons want to know about the latest developments in political sphere. The businessman wants correct information about market condition. Yes, the businessman wants to know about the market condition of day by day. Then the common man has a natural curiosity. Then the common man want to know about the natural things, what's happening day by day, what's happening that, such like that. Then the common man has a natural curiosity to know about the natural things, almost what's happening in general, common. Then a successful newspaper caters to the needs to all kinds of readers, scientists. There are different types of newspaper readers, such like that. Readers of scientists, sportsmen, politicians, businessmen, lawyers and job seekers. Each of these persons find out their own interesting page to know about the different levels of news in day by day. They want to know about the latest developments in our world. So I hope you up to this you understand very well. Okay, now we can move to the next. Besides being informative, yes, it's very informative thing. Newspaper is very informative and knowledgeable to all. Newspapers possesses literary value too. Yes, while reading we got a literary value of newspaper. They contain articles. Yes, the newspaper contain articles, commentaries, book reviews, stories, poems and biographies, etc. Yes, the newspaper contains, what are the newspapers contains? That is articles, commentaries, book reviews, stories, poems and biographies. Listen to that. The editorials and lead articles in a newspaper exert much influence on its readers. Yes, the editorials of the newspaper, lead articles in a newspaper exert much influence to read the readers. That is, editorials and lead articles are very important in newspapers. They form and mold public opinion, because in that page there is a public opinion too. Businessmen can advertise in the newspaper as then and thus reach their customers. Yes, while giving an advertisement, it's catch the customers. So business peoples can advertise in the newspapers to catch their customers. Now we can move to the next paragraph. The press as a sacred responsibility. Yes, in the press there is a responsibility. What's a responsibility? Its news and views should be true and impartial. Yes, while we giving the news, it will be true. So there is a sacred responsibility, that is the news. While giving the news, it should be true and impartial too. The press also serves as a platform where the reader can express his individual and independent views on any burning issue of the day. Yes, while we giving an information, while giving a news, definitely it should be a valuable, it should be true. So coming to the last, that is the newspaper updates our knowledge. The newspaper, while giving the newspaper, it updates our knowledge of the world around us. So while reading the newspaper, we got a new knowledge. But we should not blindly believe everything that printed in the newspaper. But definitely you should know about that. We never blindly believe everything printed in the newspaper. Now we can move to the last paragraph, that is the newspaper updates our knowledge of the world around us. But we should not definitely or blindly believe everything that is printed in the newspaper. That is printed in the newspapers. News stories may at times be exaggerated or disordered. News stories may at times be exaggerated. The news will be exaggerated and disordered too. Yet, the newspaper has a very significant role in promoting natural integration. But newspaper has a very significant role in nowadays life. So, everyone, you should read newspaper in daily. That's a good habit, and you got a new knowledge from day by day. You know about the knowledge of our world. You got new information from newspapers. So, we complete the chapter. I hope you understand up to this. Okay, now we can move to the question answers. Once again, 2 or 3 times you read this small piece of chapter. After that, you know what is the importance of newspaper and how it influenced to us, something like that. So, now we can move to the question answers. First question, how is the newspaper helpful to? How is the newspaper helpful to? A. Students, businessmen, politicians, common man, sportsman, and finally scientist. How these persons helpful this newspaper? In second paragraph itself there is an answer, so you should find out what are the answer this. How is the newspaper helpful to us? Students, businessman, politicians, common man, sportsman, and finally scientists. How it's helpful, the newspaper. Now we can move to the second question. Why do firms advertisements their products in a newspaper? Why the businessman gave advertisements to catch the customers? What's the reason behind that? Why do firms advertisements their products in a newspaper? Because to catch the customers. So, the first paragraph itself there is an answer. You please write the answer. Now we can move to the next. Why is it said that the press should remain true and impartial? Yes, why the press should remain true and impartial? What's the reason behind that? So, complete the answer. Only 3 question answers here. Now we can move to the activities of this chapter. So, are you ready for that? Okay. Activity 1. So, in this chapter, the first activity is only 3 questions. Write these answers in your notebook. Now, come to the activities. While reading newspapers, you might have come across very interesting and informative headlines. You may collect some newspaper headlines. And examine their important features. So, first of all, you collect some headlines. Read the English newspaper and collect the headlines, or while reading Malayalam newspaper you should translate the main headings. Fill in the columns given below. So, below you can see 3 columns. You may use some of the words given in brackets. Here some of the words are there. So, based on these words you should write some news. Catchy, informative, simple, humorous, impressive, accurate, emotional, touching, etc. In a news, these all words is very essential while creating a new news. So, below that you can see 3 columns, that is name of the newspaper, headlines, features. So, you know which are the famous newspapers in our India or another countries. So, while that Madhubhumi, Malayalam Manorama, the Hindu, Indian Express, such as etc. So, write the name of newspaper, then you should create the headlines of newspapers. The first headline is here, flash flood, that is village isolated. And the feature, what are the feature of this news? That is informative. This type of news is given for information to all. Such like that you should create the other news. Create a news and what are the features and write the names of newspaper. This is the first activity for you. Okay. So, I hope you understand the first activity. Now, we can move to the next section. Page number 88. Now, we can move to the second activity. Several advertisements are seen in newspaper. Yes, you already seen different types of advertisements in newspaper. We come to know about various products through them. Yes, while so the advertisement, we are so attracted to that product and we buy that product. So, we come to know about various products through these advertisements. Look at the features of an advertisement. What are the features of this advertisements? Catchy title, emotional language, limited words. Here you can see a picture. The Lost Boy. Is it catchy? Look at that picture. New York Times and USA Today bestseller, first international bestseller. The Lost Boy. The in-spring sequel to the bestseller, A Child Called It. A foster child search for the love of family. Dave Felser. So, this is an advertisement. So, what type of advertisement is this? It's a catchy title. There's a catchy title, emotional language, and a limited words also include in that. Now, we want to create a new type of advertisements for anything. Here you can see an advertisement in a column. Such like that, we should create an advertisement. So, the next class we can create that, we can move to detail in that types of advertisement and what are the importance of advertisements, a catchy title, such like that. So, up to this, I hope you understand very well. So, next class onwards, we can complete this type of advertisements. Now, it's time to wind up our today's class. So, I hope you understand this chapter newspaper and what are the relevance of newspapers in nowadays and what are the importance of newspaper. So, tomorrow onwards, definitely all of you read the newspaper and make it as habit. Now, I hope you understand. If there is any doubt, you can call me or WhatsApp me. Thank you.